Ooh, ooh. Oh, let it go. What it do? I got the wife with me today, y'all. She in the car. I think she finishing up some work or something. Yo! Hello!
Hello, man!
What up?
Hi.
That's it?
Hello, man.
And what up to the people?
What's up, peeps?
Yeah. You want to see what I did? All right. Damn, that's crazy. The little pieces of grass that I didn't like get out, they popped back up quick. But anyway, you see? So where the house is gonna go, and the area that we can kind of drive around it, and then over here, I didn't do the side driveway yet, but it'll pretty much be a little more of this cut out, like straight across. So it ain't that much, but it's just enough for us to pull in off the main driveway.
I think I like it.
Well, all right then. You think you like it. I got to get that tree out today. I brought the chainsaw, and then you see your solar panels over there, huh?
Yeah, that crooked one.
I need to get that gate. Let me grab that gate real quick. Oh, yeah. Why you didn't grab it? Okay, come hold this real quick.
The angle is right. It just needs to be pushed back some.
Let me get a little bit of this lane. I'm gonna scoot this over.
Okay, power's on. Hit the DC. Is it on? I heard it beep.
It's on. We had to bring out a cooler today for the refreshments. Plugging it into the Opus, which we're gonna talk about later today. All right.
You got the barbed wire on there.
So I could just cut this off that piece real quick. Yeah. All right. When you come back, watch that bob wire down there. It's loose.
Aye! I knew it!
Hey, y'all. It wasn't recording, but she put in work, put that first hole in, but we got more holes to dig. Take it all the way down.
Down?
Yeah, it's got to go all the way. Oh, let it go. Open it up, open it up. Throw your dirt up there. Oh, we missed. And then on the side, you see your numbers.
24 is right here.
Yeah, so knock some of this dirt away and let's figure out what the real. Okay, so about right there is where we need to go, right? Okay, that's plenty deep enough. Can you get a post? Oh my goodness. That's the work mule. Yeah.
This wind might accidentally swing me around and knock you over.
Okay. Oh, you got here. Let me. You ready? So the gate is gonna sit fairly close, maybe 2 inches off of here. It depends on how the slope of the land is. Yeah. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Woo. You want me to get it? You let too much dirt get in it.
I did.
It's got that auto stop on it. Ooh.
Ooh, that was a rock.
It's a bunch of rocks, man. Ooh, ooh. There you go.
Put your back into it. Whoa.
Just widen it a little bit. Don't run. Don't run from it, girl. This is what you wanted. That's serious. It's really rocky down there. All right, here we go. All right. Oh. Big 24. Man, 24 way in there. Yes, sir. We're gonna take a break real quick, y'all. Water break. It's hot out here. We want to pace ourselves because we out here all day.
It's not that hot.
It's not that hot right now.
Because of the wind, though.
Just because of the wind, and we got clouds right now. Yeah. We'll be back at you in a second. Hey, y'all, we supposed to be on break, but all of that in there is berry patch, so y'all can see the berries. And this one just wants to pick berries for the kiddos. Anyway, they're all down the fence line.
Here,
they're all
see what I got?
Okay, I see you.
That's enough for one snack.
Yeah, but they're not even really ready for
I know, when we
yet.
come back, it'll be ready for sure.
There you go. All right, let's see. It's hitting something. I think that's just a bunch of rocks, y'all. Ah, big rock. Big rock. Chisel away. Oh, I got it. Yes, I passed the rocks. Whew. Got my ruler on the side. Easily 31 inches. Before I throw that other board in there, I'm gonna put some water down in here. I just need it a little wet so that can seep up into the dry mix. This bag opened up on me. Ah. Front to back. Bubbles are solid right there. I'm gonna let this go in slowly and pack it down and around. letting it go in slow so it can feel around, and I could see it filling up around there. Getting it all around. Throw a little water on here. I'm gonna throw some dirt back on there. I don't have my tamper with me, so I'm gonna use my feet. First one done. Let's move on to the next. While I'm at it, that's a deep hole. Make a section real quick. Get my water on. Same thing as before, y'all. Fill that thing. Oh my God. That's why you don't just throw the board down in the water. Pretty good. Nice. All right. And while that's kind of getting packed down, move it a little bit. Still got some play. Here we go. I'm gonna throw this over here. Good enough. Looking pretty dope. Got them in. Don't have to worry about that no more. 24 hours, they should be solid. They'll stay right where they are. Pack this in, put a little bit in there. I just go over the top. All right, get it in now. This 3 bags did do the trick. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, this is what we got. We got everything solid. Those 2 poles are in over there and cemented in. These 2 poles solid, cemented in. Sun is going down. So this is what we're gonna call it. It's been a long one and we got a lot of work done. Thank y'all for tuning in. As always, Homestead Homies, much love. Anybody homesteading, much love. Deuces.